Sponsored by
PhD, MPhil किसी भी विषय में डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKTF यूनिवर्सिटी में. Admissions open.
the Aam Aadmi Party leader and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who was in jail for 51 days in the Delhi liquor scam case, received a sigh of relief on Friday after the Supreme Court granted him interim bail till June 1. Pertinently, the court has granted him bail not because he's proven innocent in the case, but as a special case only to allow him to campaign for elections, given his role as the Delhi CM and being the only face of AAP. Meanwhile, ED opposed Kejriwal's bail in the top court on Friday evening. Essentially, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, also represented ED, had told the bench earlier that there can't be any deviation only because Kejriwal is Chief Minister, asking if the Supreme Court is carving out exceptions for politicians. A bench of Justices Sanjeev Khanna and Dipankar Datta granted the Delhi Chief Minister a 21-day interim bail in the money laundering case registered against him by the Directorate of Enforcement. However, the SC set strict conditions on its bail order for the AAP chief, asking him to surrender himself to the jail on June 2. For those unaware, Kejriwal was arrested by the ED on March 21 in connection with a money laundering probe relating to alleged irregularities in the now scrapped Delhi Excise Policy 2021-22. However, the interim bail, which is being projected as a win for democracy by the party, has only been granted due to the upcoming elections in Delhi, where AAP is contesting 4 out of 7 Lok Sabha seats in alliance with Congress. Reports suggest that Kejriwal is strictly restricted from visiting the CM's office or signing any of the files except where his signature is necessary for obtaining approval from the Delhi Lieutenant Governor. During the bail period, Kejriwal is also barred from visiting the Delhi Secretariat. Furthermore, Kejriwal has been strictly asked not to utter a word or comment on anything related to the Delhi liquor scam case. He is not sanctioned to meet any of the witnesses in the excise policy case. Notably, the bail has been granted on a bail bond of Rs 50,000.